everyone, this is Tamasha here and we are back with our festive edit yet again. And we have got you covered for all your festive needs, be it Rakhi, Diwali, the wedding season and Navratri for sure. We have a bit of everything for kids wear, accessories, chanya choli, kurta sets and everything.
So we are here for 2 days at Tarz Gallery today and tomorrow with 10 amazing brands from Ahmedabad, Surat and Mumbai.
So do visit Tarz Gallery. Baki details mata check caption and now to check the collection.
Swipe left.
Hi, I'm Moksha from Moksha Jain Label. I've recently launched my Navratri collection. We've got you covered from pastels to bright colors. We have got blouses with beautiful mirror detailing. So really stylish blouses with vintage patchwork. And if you like corsets, then we have corsets as well with calling work or pearl detailing. Then we've got dupattas in various colors. And if you like something in double ghera, then we have this one as well. If you want something traditional yet modern, then we can go for a long blouse with a traditional color like this one. And if you want something playful, then this is one of our best sellers. Something with kori work and something with ghungroo work.
Completely handcrafted jewelry. This is from Mumbai. The brand is by Anaya. And let's start with their very trendy collection. જે આપણે અત્યારે model shorts સ્ટાર્ટમાં બતાવ્યા એમને કેરી કર્યું હતું. So this is called Dhokra art. Selected artisan પોતે આ બનાવે છે. Traditional heritage art we can say. જેને modern designs માં એમને convert કર્યું છે. થ્રેડ સાથે ઘણામાં વાયર્ડ એમને આપેલું છે તો અલગ અલગ આર્ટને મિક્સ કરીને they made these jewelry. These are completely brass based. Once again designer jewelry છે. You won't find it anywhere else apart from by Anaya. આ earrings specially મેં જોયું બહુ જ લાઇટ વેઇટ છે. So yes, you can style these with your contemporary look, with your traditional look, with your Navratri looks or even western party wear માં પણ તમે પહેરી શકો. So this is by Anaya. Surathi, the brand is Design Studio by Zarna. Let's start with this one જે મને personally બહુ જ ગમ્યું. Look at the cuts and I'm sure આ પહેર્યા પછી બહુ જ smart લાગશે. If you want something in jacket style જેમાં half and half એમણે આપેલું છે. So once again really smart. And if you want something in pastel tone થોડું young generation Gen Z માટે એવી લાઈની ડિટેલિંગ છે. પછી પેસ્ટલ ટોન મને બહુ જ ગમે તો પર્સનલી આની ઉપર તમે વ્હાઇટ કે આ પેસ્ટલમાંથી કોઈ પણ એક કલરનું ટોપ કે બ્લાઉઝ પહેરો. ઇટ લુક્સ વેરી સ્માર્ટ. પછી એની સાથે ઇફ યુ વોન્ટ સમથિંગ ઇન વિન્ટેજ વિથ ફૂલ સ્લીવ્સ, યસ, હાફ એન્ડ હાફમાં દિસ ઇઝ ધ કલેક્શન. સો બેઝિકલી ટ્રેન્ડી ટ્રેડિશનલ બધું જ એમણે ક્યુરેટ કર્યું છે, ડિઝાઇન કર્યું છે. રાઈટ. ઇફ યુ વોન્ટ સમથિંગ મોર ઓફ સિમ્પલર તો એનો ઓપ્શન છે. ઓમ્બ્રેના ચણિયા મને દેખાય છે. ચણિયા સ્ટાર્ટ્સ ફ્રોમ 3,000 and the whole set starts from 5,500. So yes, this is.
Hi, this is brand Payal Sureka and our new collection in grass tissue pure. This you can wear in Navratri as well.
Look at that. So they've got festive and wedding collection.
This one is also optional.
Right. Customization option છે બારે
Yes,
બધામાં કલર્સ
everything
નો.
can be customized in the color you want. And we have a work too. That's one.
Cut work છે. Basically the brand is more about, you know, if you want થોડું Indo-Western collection for wedding or festivities. If you want something traditional, right?
This one is again in. You can see this
Wow,
with mirror work.
mirror work
Pure
સાથે.
modal ajrak.
Hi everyone, I'm Khyati from the Lil Threads. We have wide range of collection for both girls as well as boys with a lot of back work. Something to style up your festive game. Stylish. Some wide range of shirts.
And what is our price range?
It's from 400 to 800. In that almost everything is covered. And we have a lot of quad sets also in different colors. Hi, my brand name is Kanisha Designs and this time હું રાખી collection લઈ આવી છું under 4,000, 5,000 something like this. It's all in pure mall chanderi. Color options મળી જશે તમને. Then something in pastels, something like this. Then some kaftans also. Shiburina and bandhejna dupattas પણ options છે. Something in mull cotton, something like this. Corsets options for cotton casuals and my overall
Hi, we are launching our Navratri Ashtasakhi sets. This is pure Chanderi fabric in original lumpy. We have few more sets like lumpy applique for Chanderi with Katha details.
Very pretty. These are completely customizable. ખાલી એમને ડિસ્પ્લે માટે રાખ્યું છે. You can get yours customized too. And apart from chaniya cholis,
We have saris.
they got saris too. Again with very pretty handwork detailing.
We have blouses for your patola, original Banarasi silk saris.
પટોલા ઓરિજિનલ બનારસી સિલ્ક સારીઝ. રાઈટ, ફરીથી બ્લાઉઝ का સેક્શન पे.
Hi guys, it's Brand's Pearl Book Jewels. We have anti-tarnish jewelry with 18 karat gold plated. It's waterproof. You can wear it regularly. Then we have trendy watch ring, which is very trendy right now, one I wore. Then we have oxidized and brass festive edit also. You can wear it in Rakhi, Navratri, Diwali, whatever. Then we have the best thing that we have a combo of bracelet and ring together. It's a best seller. Then we have kadas, we have tennis bracelet which is so trendy right now. Then we have handmade jewelries, 9 to 5 Rakhi, pure silver Rakhi. Then something like this modern heart full which I wore. The chain, the earrings which I wore. You can saw here. We have lots of design. We have AD collection. You can wear it in Rakhi. You can gift it. Then we have best offer. You can get 20% off on jewelry if you.
Hi everyone, this is Sakun by Shweta. We are back with our pure Ajrak cotton collection. This is our special polka dot collection in which we also have 3 colors of shirts. These are all very comfortable, very breezy with amazing details and a lot of kurta options as well. Because in pure Ajrak, these are all best sellers for kurta. A very nice fun pink and a very nice fun green which you'd not see in the market. Our short tops in pure Ajrak, again very comfortable, everything cotton.
The brand is from Surat. This is Pehrava and ખાદી કલેક્શન વન્સ અગેન વિથ ટચ ઓફ બાંધણી. જેકેટ સ્ટાઇલ ગમતું હોય જે તમે ફેસ્ટિવિટીઝમાં બી પહેરી શકો. વન્સ અગેન વિથ મલ્ટી કલર ચનિયા પેસ્ટલ ટોનમાં સી યુનિક કલર છે. આ બધું જ કલેક્શન દે આર ફ્રોમ સુરત બાય ધ વે. સો યસ.
Hi, we are May Designs and we are here with our festive wedding and Navratri edits. These are a few of our top selling kurta sets. You can customize all these in any colors, any fabric. You can choose your cutwork as well. Some of them are on discount at 15%.
1515.
Yes. And this is a dress also available in mull, so you can choose your colors that you like. The one that I'm wearing, we have color options in these. These are again our hot selling King Cup Banarasi. We do wedding edits as well. These are peplum and sharara. Some draped saris and some Banarasi gowns. We also have our Navratri edit here, so you can choose from a wide range of blouses, corsets, some blouses that you can pair at your wedding.